A lot of people ask me who's a good candidate for a mini dental implant. Basically, the best way to find out is for you to come in and I do a free consult with a scan of your mouth so I can show you what would be the best option. But mini dental implants are very useful for people that have lost some bone or people that have lost a lot of teeth for years and have been without for years. So mini dental implants can replace missing teeth, can anchor dentures, can anchor bridges and crowns, and basically replace missing teeth or used as anchorage to give the teeth back that you've lost. The best way to find out if you're a good candidate for mini dental implants is for you to come in so I can do a free consult, do a CT scan in your mouth, and that way I can show you what would be the best option for you.